Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging in to crypto.com, providing you with fast access to your digital assets. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Download the crypto.com app. If you haven't already, download the crypto.com app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. You can also access the platform via their official website on your desktop. Step 2. Open the app or website. Once the app is installed, open it on your mobile device. If you are using a desktop, navigate to the crypto.com website. Step 3. Locate the login button. On the app's home screen, look for the login button. If you are using the web version, you will find the login option at the top right corner of the home page. Step 4. Enter your credentials. Click on the login button and enter your email address and password associated with your crypto.com account. Make sure to check for typos for a smooth login experience. Step 5. Two-factor authentication. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, you will need to enter the verification code sent to your registered mobile device or email, input the code in the designated field, and hit Submit. Step 6. Access your account. Once your credentials are verified, you will be logged into your crypto.com account, giving you fast access to your digital assets. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface and explore the various features and services available. Don't forget, securing your account is essential. Always consider enabling additional security measures if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.